won't you please join me in bringing together in marriage a much-beloved couple, Chloe and Poppy. You may lick the bride.
Always a bridesmaid, never a bride.
Oh, Poppy. Uncle Pedro!
Give me some pop.
Up high.
Oh, look at me. I'm covered in mud.
Don't you usually pay for a mud mask?
Your little fluff balls ruined my pearl. Sorry.
She is a 3-time champion of the Beverly Hills Dog Show.
Peasants.
She's just mad because she looks like a big angry Q-tip. Poppy's home.
Hey, Poppy, look. Beverly Hills Dog Show? $50,000 prize?
They gave us a home. We got to do everything we can to help them keep it.
We should enter the dog show.
Yeah!
You think you could win the dog show? Do not make me laugh. We're gonna do this.
I said, hey, I'll be gone today. Ay, chihuahua. When it comes to this family,
Go, Dad!
Oh, baboo.
somebody's always got your back.
Look out!
Your tail. Don't look now, but somebody shaved your hiney. And your wet nose. And that's what family's all about. We are stronger together than we are alone.
A shooting star! Quick, make a wish.
What more could I ask for, mi corazón?
Beverly Hills Chihuahua 2. The family just got bigger. On Disney Blu-ray and DVD.
And I know one thing that I love you.
Chihuahua!